up now! Back up! You want some out of here! Take him out of here! Take him out of here! Go ahead! Get your hands up! Do your change and you'll stop. We're not dealing with this right now. Put your hands by your back! Alright, okay, bro, okay. Get down! Get down! Get down! Back up! Back up! Hands back!
In Peoria, Illinois, a man got shot during an argument, and when he collapsed, a huge crowd started forming around him. But as the police arrived, the crowd were obstructing them from saving the man's life. Subscribe to this channel and watch how chaotic it got.
It's on its way! Watch out! Move! Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Move! Get out of the way! Get out of the way now! Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! It's my cousin! Get back! Get back! What's up? Get up there! Get the people away from there! Everybody get back! Get back! Get back now! Get back! About 50 people crowding us and we cannot get him help. Send more cars.
They trying to save him. Get back.
It doesn't help with you on the officer. Stay back.
I can't back the up! Let's go, my God! Get down! Get down! Get down! Back up! Back up! Get hands back! Go help him! Please stop him! Stop him, man! Stop him! Stop him! Put your hands by your back! Alright, okay, bro, okay. Idiot! Alright, I'm gonna roll you on your side. You're gonna get your knees to your chest, okay? Knees to your chest. Get your knees to your chest! Get up! I can't! I don't feel my legs! Alright, get him up. I can't feel my legs! Alright. Stupid roll over! I didn't do nothing! Give me the face! No, I didn't, bro! Damn, bro, my fault, I swear. No, my fault. I told you back the up, man. No, my fault. I didn't. Drag him out. Get him over here by everyone else.
Back up! Hey!
Give me your hand.
Bro, why would you hit me like that?
You had my officer.
No, she had me. What the f*** are you talking about? Did you see her hit me? Back the f*** up. Bro, stop dragging me. What the f*** is wrong?
Get the f*** up. Get
I can't feel my legs. I can't feel my legs.
Get up.
I can't feel my legs.
You walk this whole way. Get up.
I can't feel my legs.
Get
I've been
up.
drinking. I can't feel my legs. I've been drinking.
You just walked here.
I don't know how the f*** I got here.
You just walked over here. All right, get him in.
We need to secure that.
I know, get him in.
I can't feel my legs.
Get in the car. Get in the car now. All right, you're gonna get tased. That's right, you get in the car. Get in now. Get in now. Oh look, your legs work. Oh look, your legs work now. My cuffs is tight as hell.
It's fine. We'll fix them later.
I got you though, bro. I didn't mean that, bro. Excuse me, bro. I didn't mean that.
Put your foot in. Motherfucker hit me and tried to run.
Bro, you didn't push me.
I know. Back up, or we can't help your friend.
Stop touching me, bro. Stop touching me, bro.
Get your hands.
You do your change, you won't stop.
We're not dealing with this right now.
Stand up.
We can't help him when you're in our
Homie
face.
just got it killed, bro. Homie just got shot, bro.
You're not helping him at all. Get in the car.
Let's get some crime scene tape up. Back up now! Back up!
If you're in this crime scene tape, you're going to jail. Go!
Get out of the crime scene now. It's a crime scene.
You back up! Back up now! Back up! I'm gonna. You want some get the out of here! Take him out of here! Take him out of here!
On the curb now. Back up. This is a crime scene, okay? Back the up. Get up on the sidewalk now. You gotta back up. This is a crime scene, okay? It's a back up on the sidewalk now. Now! Back up! Back up! Back up! I'm telling you to listen, okay? We can't help him with you guys breathing down our necks. This is your first warning. You're gonna be pepperballed if you do not disperse. You do not get your car now. No, it is a crime scene. Go! You will be pepperballed. You will be pepperballed. This is your warning. You will be pepperballed. Get on the other side. No, you cannot come through here. You will be pepperballed. Walk.
My car's that way.
Walk.
Hear me?
No, I don't give a f. Someone got shot. Walk. Keep going. You will be pepperballed.
LT, victim went to OSF.
Yes.
Unfortunately, I went to go assist him, and two girls jumped on me, so I did not
That's
get
what
to.
I heard. Are you okay?
Yeah. I mean, I got hit in the face a couple times, and I can't open my hand all the way.
Oh, no.
It'll be fine.
Okay, I hope so. Okay, so you didn't witness his takedown?
I did not. No, I was on the ground, getting choked and hit in the face. So no, I don't have any information for you. I don't know.
All right. Knocked down or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're tough. You're back up.
Oh God. I can't tell you how many times I've been hit in the face in this job. She got me pretty good in the face a few times.
Did you get arrested? You can get away.
Yeah,
Good.
yeah.
I took your guy down.
Yeah, he had me around the neck when I was trying to. That's mine. He fucking punched me.
Where was he shot?
I saw him on the couch right there. He may have had a chest seal on.
No
And there's blood right there, so probably right here. But I have no clue. I was fighting everybody by myself trying to cut his clothes off, and they're all just pulling on me, telling me to help him. And I said, back up, like 6 times. And they literally just kept grabbing me and pulling on me. So I turned around and I swung at one dude, and then he got all mad and started getting my face. So I started fighting him. It's ridiculous. Yeah. No, you're fine. Are you guys just looking, or are you trying to leave?
Well, no, we're not trying to leave, but we're also trying to, like, if you needed us for whatever reason. But you guys are more than welcome to come in if you want. And,
Yeah, we got so much paperwork to do.
Oh, I understand that, but I mean, you know, I see a lot of people, like, doing whatever. If there's, like, if you guys need drinks or anything, you need water.
Did you guys see anything?
I was out back. I didn't see nothing.
Yeah, me and Donnie were out here, and we saw people running.
Hear anything?
Heard what I thought was them knocking on the window, and I'm like, knocking on the window. And then we see everybody running. We're like, oh.
Yeah, I was out back in there.
Yeah.
What'd you hear? How many shots do you think it was?
I don't know.
I know I heard 3 of what I thought was knocks. Do you know how many shots you thought you heard, Johnny? 3? We got bottles of water in here.
No, I got a whole jug of water.
Well, we got cooks in here too, so if you guys need food, we don't have donuts though.
Oh, yeah, we're out. We won't be inside then. See you guys. Take care.